What's up guys? In this video I want to test a popular air purifier on Amazon called VEWIOR A1. It is the most compact air purifier in the series of this brand, because there's also VEWIOR A2 and A3 models. All of them use HEPA 13 filters, but the differences are in the coverage area and a clean air delivery rate. I think VEWIOR A1 is a good option for the kitchen, bedroom or office. Okay, let's see what we get in the box when we buy this air purifier, as well as design of the new product and digital screen functions. To be honest, I thought the box would be bigger. It looks like it is a very compact air purifier. By the way, we can read its main features on the box, such as high clean air delivery rate, 3-stage filtration system, low noise, and digital display. When you open the box, you will see the inscription that the power adapter is placed inside the mesh filter. You also need to remove the filter poly bag before using an air purifier. Then there's user manual and the air purifier itself in the box. You need to rotate the twist handle at the bottom to open the cover, take out a power adapter and filter. VEWIOR A1 is probably the most compact air purifier that I have ever seen. Its dimensions are 255 by 165 by 165 mm. The weight is 990 grams. However, the filter is the same as the biggest model of air purifier VEWIOR A2. The biggest model in the series VEWIOR A3 has another filter. You know, the advantage of the compact air purifier is that you can place it on the desktop. There's an air inlet at the bottom of the product, while the air outlet are at the top. VEWIOR A1 also has essential oil tray. You can also add some oil drops on this cotton and the room will be fragrant. The power connector is located on the back, while the digital display is on the front. As already said, you can rotate a twist handle at the bottom and remove a filter. By the way, you can buy a filter additionally on Amazon. The price of one filter is $26, but you can buy 2 filters with a discount of $45. Let's talk about filtration system of VEWIOR A1. The filter has 3 layers, such as pre-filter, H13 HEPA filter, and active carbon filter. The pre-filter is designed to catch pet hair, dust, lint, etc. From time to time, you can remove the main filter from the air purifier and clean the pre-filter from this dirt. However, it is more difficult or even impossible to clean H13 HEPA filter and active carbon filter, because the first one is designed for PM2.5 fine particles, pollen, smoke, etc. And the active carbon filter purifies the air from the volatile organic compounds, fumes, methanol benzene series, and others. The manufacturer recommends replacing the filter every 3-6 months, depending on the ambient air quality. As you can see, VEWIOR A1 also has a digital display. Let's talk about it. First, there are 4 touch buttons under the display, such as fan speed control, timer, auto mode, and power on-off. On the display we can see an air quality, fan speed, and time. I think the auto mode is my favorite feature of this air purifier. When it is activated, the air purifier analyzes an air quality, and if the PM2.5 level is under 70 points, the fan speed is adjusted to the first. When the PM2.5 level is from 71 to 150 points, the fan speed is adjusted to the second. If you have a polluted air with PM2.5 level above 150 points, the fan speed is adjusted to the third. You know, most budget air purifiers don't have air quality indicators, but VEWIOR A1 does. So VEWIOR A1 is a good budget air purifier for a small room under 600 square feet or 55 square meters, for example, kitchen or bedroom. Moreover, I think this is must-have device for residents of big cities. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!